Hello! For today's video, we will give you tips on how to mix Collet powder blue, semi-gloss latex paint for your wall. Before we start, hope that you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep updated to our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client sample. Let us start mixing this color using semi-gloss latex white and ochre colors. Semi-gloss latex white, ochre color phthalo blue, ochre color tulidine red, ochre color lamp black. First we put at least 50% ratio of latex white. Then drop small ratio of ochre color blue. Also drop ochre color red. And drop a little of ochre color black. Then, stir the paint well. It's more on blue. Let's add some white to become lighter. Then drop a little ochre color black and ochre color red to make more grayish. Let's add more ochre color blue. Stir the paint well to see the color result. It's more bluish. Let's add more white. Then add ochre color, raw sienna, to have a greenish shade. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. It's more lighter. Let's add more ochre color blue and ochre color raw sienna. Okay, let's compare now if it matches the client sample. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial video. Thank you for watching.